Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good to see you. Good morning, everybody, and a very, very warm welcome to all you wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary people. So today is a wonderful day, and with all you wonderful people beginning your week. Today is a Monday. What a splendid day. So let all the hard work begin. Congratulations to everybody who are on time. And how was your session yesterday? I saw little glimpses of it. I think it was quite nice. A lot of reflection happening. And so today we are going to start with our very popular exercise, which is called generating happiness. So are you ready for that? So when I say 1, 2, 3, we will all laugh 100%. 1, 2, 3, go. Good morning, Shakti. And why are you invisible today? Suresh is invisible, Sakshi is invisible, Leena ji is invisible. All right. So let's have a wonderful day. Let's have a wonderful week. And you know what? Usually we start by telling people, why are we coming for empowering morning sessions? And I tell in a little introduction to this program. And today I was thinking of not doing it because all of you have been there with us for so long. So you know very well what is the purpose of empowering morning conversations. But now I see that there is one new person who joined us, and that is Mr. Anish Kumar. Anish Kumar, very warm welcome to you. Thank you for joining us. And let me tell you that Empowering Morning Conversations was started because we realized that we were getting bombarded by too much of negativity from all around. And that's always been the case. You know, unfortunately, when we get up in the morning, the world is not inspiring us, you know. We don't get out of the bed saying, yay, let's have a great day. So you know what we get up with. So in a world that is bombarding us with negativity, we tend to become negative. We stop to see the possibilities in life. We get into a mode which I call as the default mode. Now, what is the default mode? It's a mode in which we react. You know how we keep reacting to things and we resist. And this is what we are doing. And that is also known as the survival mode. So we are just trying to survive in this world. Now, the purpose of our program is to allow us to create our life. And as you can see, written behind me, stop blaming and start living. So we would like to have a life that comes to us with ease and joy and glory. So we can get 100% out of our life. So whatever you are, whoever you are, whatever age group you are, there is a possibility that you can recharge yourself and start the day on the right note, the positive note. So that's what we are doing here. And we just did one of the exercises that we normally do, which is to use the power that we have within us. And the power is that we can generate any feeling that we want. Now, many of you might say, why should I generate the feeling? Because, my dear friends, we are always influenced by our feelings. So have you noticed that our feelings are significantly impacting our actions? हमारे actions के ऊपर हमारी भावनाओं का प्रकोप होता है. And who is influencing our feelings? The outside world, other people. So we are like puppets dancing on the tune, strings being pulled by other people and the circumstances of our life. So we don't experience much power. But the day we take charge of our own self, how do we take charge of our own self? Step number 1, be able to be in charge of your own feelings and emotions. Be in charge of your awareness. Be in charge of your attention. So just like the world is influencing our emotions, the world is also influencing our attention. Attention in Hindi is dhyana. And wherever our dhyana goes, wherever our attention goes, that is exactly what is going to happen to us. So imagine if there is a problem that you're dealing with, where will your attention be? Only on the problem, on struggling against the problem, fighting the problem. Your attention, unfortunately, doesn't go to find the solution to the problem. So where should your attention be? The attention should be in finding a solution to the problem. It should be to look for possibilities. Now, you might have realized that we are also trying to find some solutions to the problems, but the way we are finding solutions to the problem doesn't really solve the problem. And then you give up sometimes. Why? Because we are using, like Einstein says, Albert Einstein, the famous guy, everybody knows him. Albert Einstein used to say that all the problems that we have today, are a result of what we know today. So if we have to find a solution to that problem, we'll have to look beyond what we know today. Unfortunately, in our default mode, the only knowledge available to us is coming from the past, from our past programming. And that only makes us react and resist. So if you start noticing in your life how much of your time is going in judging what's going on, silently blaming what's going on, right? Very little time is left to cause and create new possibilities in life. So which one is the ideal state, do you think? Causing and creating something in your life, or just going on using the same information over and over again? Nothing new is going to happen in your life. So are you happy with that? Life is so predictable. If you carry on the way you're carrying on, you can be pretty much certain what result is going to happen in your life, isn't it? So are you going to look for a transformation, a new way of living? If you are, then this is the right place. So we don't, overwhelm you with too much of information. Little bits of information and some questioning, which makes you think. Because ultimately, your thinking is going to generate your answers. Nobody else can give you answers. So we simulate your thinking. We give you exercises which puts you in a state of higher awareness. We give you exercises that gives you the power to keep your attention in your control. It is your attention. Who should be controlling your attention? Aapka dhyan hai. Good morning, Samina ji. Good morning. It is your dhyana. Who should be controlling your dhyana? You, not the circumstances. So that's what we are doing here every morning. And today we started with our classic exercise of generating laughter. So either you generate your emotions or other people will come and generate your emotions for you. Just see how much you are controlled by the outside. I want to do this, but I want to do that, but I desire to have XYZ, magar people are not going to allow me. I'd like to be happy, but people don't let me be happy. Look at the reasons that we have. Good morning, Leena ji. Look at all the reasons that we have. So reasonable, so muddled, so reasonable. Is that going to give you the result that you want? So anyway, let's get out of that. Let's talk about today. Today is the start of your week, right? Now you can have this week be just like every other day or every other week. Or we could create something. But to do that, my friends, I have a question for you. What is going to run your day today? What is going to run your day today? Are your fears going to run your day today? Are your worries going to run your day today? Are your concerns going to run your day today? Are all your causes going to run your day today? What is going to run your day today? You'll notice that whatever is on top of your mind seems to be controlling you throughout the day or influencing you throughout the day, isn't it? So ask yourself this question. What is going to run my day today? Please ask that question to yourself. And once you have asked that question, I'd like a few people to share. Yes, Reddy Garu.
Sir, my concerns will run the day today, sir.
Your concerns.
Yes, sir.
So are you going to let them? Are you going to let them?
No, I'm trying
Let's
to.
do a little deep diving here. Huh?
Yes,
If your
sir.
concerns will run your day today, what will your day look like?
Very disturbing, sir. Whole day.
Right? Okay, then how would you like to run your day? See, whatever you have to deal with, you have to deal with anyhow.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yeah.
So instead of having concerns,
Sir,
what can you have?
I can look into possibilities, sir.
Okay, so let's take one concern.
Yeah.
And then this is what, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, all of you who are there, these are live examples of what we can do when we come here in the morning. Okay. So here's a live case. He says, my concerns. So there are a number of concerns.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
These are big concerns or small concerns?
It's a big concern, sir.
Okay. And why are they concerns?
Because I got a feedback that one of my employees is doing something which is not is supposed to do money without my knowledge. So I'm feeling bad. I feel that maybe I'm the cause.
Yeah.
Allowing him to do it.
Yeah. Now you are not understanding the distinction responsibility, that's for sure. Because you're blaming yourself, no? I'm the cause, as in blame, not as in I'm responsible.
Yeah.
That's number one. Number two, do you notice that? Why is it a concern? Because you're judging, right?
Yes, sir.
So do you have a concern that I got up in the morning today?
No.
Do you have a concern that I had to go to the bathroom today?
No.
And make some smell over there? You didn't have a concern about that either, right?
No. No.
Do you have a concern that, oh my God, I have to eat my breakfast? Oh my God, I have to drive to my office? You didn't, right?
No.
But this is a concern. Why? Because you labeled it as a judgment, right?
Yeah.
However, should you be dealing with it? Of course, you should be dealing with it.
Yes, sir.
But so the fact that you judge it and you're saying so many things to yourself about it, oh, very bad, this should not have happened, I'm the cause, I'm too lenient, I have left the loopholes, blah, 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 whatever you're telling to yourself
True.
is like a judgment.
Yes, sir.
And you are blaming,
Yeah.
right? So what is running your day is your thinking about something. Like other fellow will say, look, I'm running a huge industry. Somebody or the other is going to try to steal things. This fellow has stolen. I've caught him. So it's a wonderful thing that now I can, find out more such loopholes and plug them.
Yeah.
So that, if others are doing also, I'll find out. And if more loopholes like this are there, I will find out. I can make checks and safeguards for it. What a great opportunity. If this fellow has not done it, I would have never known. And I would have never taken precaution for the future.
Yes, sir.
So now will it be bothering you?
No, sir. I already thought about all. Still, a little somewhere.
I get it. I mean, this is a good point for the discussion also. I get it. Yeah, so you've been working with me for quite some time. So you do that. So just for everybody else also, you take every concern that you have. See, a lot of times our concerns are running our day. Our fears are running our day. Correct? So underneath those concerns, you will always find that there is a judgment.
Yeah.
Even what you told me this morning, that fellow has given a judgment to you. Correct?
Yeah.
And you bought it.
Yeah.
And do you notice that a lot of discouragement came immediately?
Yeah.
You told me, sir, you don't do this right now, wait for 2 days before, right? Because you bought that fellow's judgment.
Sir.
And you see the beauty of the mind will always make a generalization and say, oh my God, this is very difficult. I don't know how it's going to happen. Maybe it will not happen. So it started going in a negative direction. So for all of you, why I'm asking this question today is what will run your day is because if you allow your concerns, your doubts, and your fears to run your day, instead of creating your day and causing something wonderful today, you will be only struggling with that day. That is called survival. And I'm saying, why should we struggle? We have to deal with what we have to deal with. Yeah, that's inevitable. Every day of my life is going to come with new surprises, new opportunities, new challenges, whatever. Right? Every minute of our life is an experience which we are getting as a gift, isn't it?
Yes.
And we call that life. So life comes to you. Now you judge it. It becomes a concern. You judge it. It becomes a worry. Right? On the other hand, have you noticed, Reddy Garu, these younger people, they buy these very expensive games, virtual reality games,
Yes.
and they're paying money to have challenges and enjoying overcoming that challenge. So you tell me, in our life, free of charge, we are getting these challenges. So instead of enjoying overcoming these challenges, it is becoming concern. But on the other hand, they are buying games to play so that they can overcome concerns and challenges and problems over there. So aren't we, human beings, aren't we funny? But you'll say, no, sir, but this is real, sir. That is only virtual. But you know what? The human mind does not know the difference between real experience.
Virtual.
Yeah, but because he is calling that as a game, he's getting thrilled out of it. And he's calling this, no, this is life. This is serious. Hello. This is also a game, yeah. As a universal, what do you call that? Infinite being, yeah, who is everything. He chooses to come and live in this little body in this universe so he can enjoy the adventure called life. Right?
Yes.
He wants to enjoy this, but now he's not enjoying because he's judging his own choice. Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir, for starting off the sharing. And let's listen to Mr. VYS Suresh Kumar. Are you still suffering in Delhi?
Yeah, I am in Delhi only, sir.
Enjoying the weather, enjoying the pollution.
No, I mean, this chilling started since yesterday.
Yeah. What about the
Yeah.
pollution? Are you able to go out?
Yeah, I'm able to go out using cab. But okay, fine. Not very as described by the news channels and all that.
Oh.
Okay.
So what is it that you wanted to share with us this morning? Is it something to do with the question that I asked or something else you want to talk about?
This
Hello. Are you saying something?
I mean, if I
We are not able to hear anything, Sureshi.
my
Can't hear anything.
hello.
Yeah, now I can hear some hello.
Oh,
Yeah, go ahead.
the- so I also thought, today my concerns will run my day.
Okay, so
Uh, so I mean, I've heard what you are talking about, Mr. Reddy Garu's this thing. So
so you will convert your
yeah, so
concerns
I'm
into
realizing.
answer, eh?
Yes,
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
thank you.
Yes, Mr. Gautam Badra.
Sir, good morning. It is today is a very important day for me, and a lot of activities there, and I'm excited. It's already people came from different part. One gentleman here just texted me. He's arrived from Bangalore yesterday night, and we are having some activity, big events tomorrow. With all preparation, I'm energetic. I'm motivated, energetic, and I make it even successful tomorrow. So that is you want to be glory tomorrow.
Great, fantastic.
Thank you.
Is that what you wanted to share? Great. Thank you very much. Yes, young man.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Sir, my concern for this day today will be my relationship, sir. Uh, so there will be constant judgment, not for my side only, but other side. Other side. So what to do here, sir? Means I will get lots of judgment when I am in relationship with people, sir. Means judgment. There will be judgment, sir. What to do?
What is going to run your day today is the people's judgment, is it?
Yes, sir.
Does it ever stop?
No.
Yeah, so I've told so many times, no? What is the judgment? Your judgment or anybody else's judgment? What is it? It is only a point of view.
Would be yes.
एक देखने का नजरिया है, एक दृष्टिकोण, right?
Yes.
तो उसमें क्या है? You just say in your mind, okay, that is their wonderful point of view. I am enlightened by their point of view. Thank you for your point of view.
Yes, sir. Sir, I also want to say that. Okay, you say we have talked about allowance. So how can I really allow the people who is constant in the mode of judgment, always in judgment mode? What to do here?
Let them be in the judgment mode, na? तुम्हारा क्या है? See, as long as you don't accept that judgment, as long as you don't allow yourself to be influenced by it, and sometimes you may get some useful also information, no?
Right, sir. Right, sir.
I'll tell you what, every time you're willing to accept a judgment, accept means what? Accept का मतलब होता है कि okay, I understand what you're trying to say, and you're actually understanding it. Does it mean it is right what they are telling? No. It doesn't mean it's wrong. It doesn't mean that also. But at least you get na what they are saying.
Right,
जो
sir.
बोल रहे हैं, आप सुन लो, समझ लो. आप उससे एग्री करो या नहीं करो वो आपकी मर्जी है. वो जो बोलते हैं आप करो या ना करो वो भी आपकी मर्जी है. तो आपको एक तोहफा दे रहा है कोई इंसान, ले लो।
Right, sir.
सो क्या बता, आपको एक नया दूसरा भी देखिए, the world is not always going to have same point of view as you do.
Right, sir. Right.
So normally what do we think? If they are right, then I must be wrong. And if I am right, they must be wrong. तो उसको छोड़ दो ना। वो गाना भी आया था ना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, छोड़ो बेकारी की बातें को, बीत जाएगी रहना. So accept it. You do your thing, what you want to do. See, the moment you start relating to your own judgment as only a point of view, the moment you start relating, थोड़ा मुश्किल है, I know that, है ना, लोगों की जजमेंट हमको इफेक्ट करती हैं, हमारी जजमेंट भी इफेक्ट करती है ना. मेरे को
Yes.
ये ऐसा क्यों बोला, प्यार से बोलता तब भी मैं करता था, मेरे से ऐसे बदतमीजी से क्यों बोला,
क्यों बोला? Yes, sir.
तो तकलीफ तो किसको हो रहा है, वो मेरे जजमेंट से.
मेरे को ही, for myself.
एग्जैक्टली. सो यू से ऑल राइट, उनको गुस्सा आ गया, उन्होंने गुस्से में बोल दिया. कभी कभी खुशी से भी बोलते हैं, कभी कभी प्यार से भी बोलते हैं, कभी गुस्से से भी बोलते हैं. Humans are human. That's called being in allowance, right? That's called
Yes.
trusting people. That boss, you tell me something. Who is the person who's bothered to give you their judgment? Energy
तो
लगता है.
Yes, sir. I
वो-
want to get one.
Which person is interested in giving you their judgment?
They themselves,
I know, but who are they to you?
who are
आपके क्या लगते हैं वो?
मेरे पिता लगते हैं, मेरे गर्लफ्रेंड लगते हैं, सब कुछ लगते
They are related to you. They care for you, right?
हैं. Right, sir.
Now you tell me, to give advice or give judgment to someone is a risk, is it not? कि वो आदमी
Right.
हमसे नाराज हो जाएगा, हमारा रिश्ता बिगड़ जाएगा,
Right, sir.
हमारा टाइम भी लग रहा है उसको एडवाइस देने में.
True.
So they are taking the trouble to give you something. So receive it. You don't have to agree with it.
Yes.
You don't have to disagree with it. You don't have to do what they say. You don't even have to not do what they say. You choose. अगर आपको लगता है कि जो वो बोल रहे हैं उसमें कुछ दम है तो कर लो.
Okay.
अगर नहीं है दम तो मत करो. बट एक आदमी तोहफा दे रहा है तो ले लो ना.
Okay.
आप भी तो रोज तोहफा देते रहते हो अपने आप को, अपनी जजमेंट का. खुद की जजमेंट तो बंद होती नहीं है अपने लिए.
नहीं होती है,
हाँ,
सर.
दूसरों की जजमेंट बंद करने निकले हो.
दूसरे के जो
अच्छा, बाय
Yes,
द
sir.
वे, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ, दिस इज फॉर एवरीबॉडी.
Yes.
See, what happens is that lot of times when other people give their judgment to you, it resonates with your own judgment also, ना. जब आप सोचते हो कि मैं गधा हूँ और किसी और ने बोल दिया आपको कि तुम गधे हो, फिर ज्यादा जोर से लगता है ना, क्योंकि उनके मुंह से नहीं सुनना चाहते हो. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
हाँ, तो बोलेंगे बेवकूफ है, तुम हमेशा बेवकूफी करते हो, तुम कोई बड़ी बुद्धि वाला काम करते ही नहीं हो, टाइम अपना बर्बाद करते हो, पैसे बर्बाद करते हो, वेले हो, ये क्या कंप्यूटर में करते रहते हो, ये है वो है. ठीक है? तो what are you hearing? Are you hearing it as a gift or are you hearing it as a punishment?
Sir, I am hearing it as a punishment, sir.
Exactly. Now, is it your choice to receive it as a gift? Gift is a gift, ना. कई बार
Right.
आपको गिफ्ट नहीं पसंद आता है तो आप क्या करते हो, किसी और को दे देते हो. नहीं चाहिए तो मत रखो.
Okay.
But you see, there is a value. I say that even when people judge you, they are actually giving you another perspective, another point of view, a point of view which is not your point of view. Correct? It may be your point of view also. If you were able to see the world only through your point of view alone, what kind of a world would it be? I mean, I do a lot of, senior level CEO type of coaching, and they always tell me, sir, everybody says yes, yes to us, sir. Everybody is agreeing only. I want a few people who are willing to disagree with me. But उनका हिम्मत नहीं होता है. And because I'm not able to see other points of view, I'm making a lot of mistakes in life also. So Sagar's concern is that he's going to be bombarded by judgment. Now, isn't it universally true that every moment of our life we are judging ourselves? And there are some people who like us so much or who care for us so much that they also keep on giving their judgments on us. So judgment is a judgment. If you wish to receive it, receive it. Otherwise, you treat it like an interesting point of view and that's it. Have you noticed how much of significance we are giving to it? Kunal sir, what is the Hindi word for significance? Gopal ji also might be able to say, or Neeti.
महत्व.
हाँ, हम किसी के दृष्टिकोण को इतना ज्यादा महत्व क्यों देते हैं? If you just say, all right, this is another interesting point of view that I'm receiving, let me receive it and see if it is useful for me or not, then will it be bothering you? You tell me. Sagar, what happened to you? You disappeared. Yes, Kunen sir.
What I think, sir, that when we give the significance or when we react to the judgment of others, it means there is some reality in that which is hidden, and we are not accepting that hidden reality and we just react. It seems
Yeah,
so.
it could be. Definitely, every time my wife tells me कि तुमने मीठा क्यों खाया, ये क्यों खाया, और मुझे अंदर से गुस्सा आ रहा है कि मेरे को पता नहीं है क्या कि मैं बेवकूफी कर रहा हूँ, तुमको भी बोलना है साथ में. मैं वैसे ही बुरा फील कर रहा हूँ कि मेरे को कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा है और ऊपर से तुम मेरे ऊपर खफा हो रही हो. ओके, तो उससे क्या मेरे को कुछ बेनिफिट होने वाला है? बट ले लो. That also may be true, Kunen, but not always. Sometimes to discover something unpleasant which somebody points out to you and you feel that maybe if it is true, then what?
Yes, sir.
फिर भी गुस्सा आता है ना, अरे यार वो जो बोल रहे हैं अगर सच होगा तो बड़ी गड़बड़ हो जाएगी.
And this reminds me your quotation. You say, sir, that experience the experiences. तो वो जो बोल रहा है, that is the experience. So let's experience that experience.
Exactly. But we can only do that, na, sir, when we don't judge it.
Correct.
See, when we are saying क्यों बोल रहा है, ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए, जरूरी है क्या, and all that I'm doing, तो resistance हो रही है. And you immediately know you're resisting it because when you're feeling bad, it's a clear-cut indication that, you are resisting it. When something good is happening, do you feel bad? No, because you're not resisting it. You're saying, आजा, गले लग जा, मेरे अपने, मेरे सपने, मेरे पास आ. When something which I don't like is happening, ये क्यों हो रहा है, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, I'm feeling mad. But you want to notice that we are giving, that's why I asked this question today, what is going to run our day today? Our concerns, our worries, our fears, our doubts, our apprehensions, what? So different ways of catching the nose, but every day we do that. कभी ऐसे पकड़ते, कभी ऐसे पकड़ते हैं, क्योंकि ये जो मंकी है इधर बैठा हुआ है, ये बहुत शातिर है ना. He always finds a way to evade our awareness. So we need to keep on attacking him on all fronts so that the awareness remains high. So I want you, see, there are two ways of looking at everything. One is like a generalization from the past. हाँ, हमेशा मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है. Yeah. Another one is, let us look at it right now. Today is what? The 15th of November, Monday. Okay. What is going to run your life today? What is on top of your mind this morning? Look at that today. You know why I'm discussing this with you? Because when I got up in the morning, I started thinking, what is going to run my today? The moment I saw what it was, I say, hello, that's not going to run my day today. I'm going to create my day today. And that's what I'm doing with you. Otherwise, my mood was happening here, yaar, Kunen, you do the session. I don't feel like it. So what's going to run your day today? Look now, fresh at this moment. What's going to run your day today?
Want to create happiness.
Okay, very good. 1 minute. Hasina ji is raising her hand. So let her speak and then we'll come to you.
Yes, sir, today my granddaughter Sakina's boyfriend is coming here to our house for the first time.
Wow.
And yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. Really, we've met him once, twice, but he's coming and living with us for about 8 days. So I'm really looking forward to that we'll come to know him, what he's all about.
Wonderful. So it's an opportunity.
Yes, sir.
So उत्सव मना रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
खातिरदारी की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. That's an exciting way to spend your day, isn't it? Thank you.
We made home. We made bread at home.
Wow. Great. So that's some nice way to look forward to the week, I say.
Right, sir.
Okay. So who was that? Gopal ji was sharing something. Yes, sir. पहले unmute करें. Yeah.
Want to create happiness.
So you're going to generate happiness.
Yes, generate happiness all through. Anybody I meet, whether I know him or I don't know him, I wish him silently, I wish you happiness.
वाह वाह वाह. तो एक पुराना गाना था ना हमारे टाइम का, प्यार बांटते चलो.
Yes, whether you know him or no, anybody, even menials also.
क्या फर्क पड़ता है? हंसियां बांटते चलो, प्यार बांटते रहो, है? हम सब हैं भाई भाई.
और क्या? जिससे मिलो. Yeah.
So nice
That's
way
one
to-
way you generate it, inside yourself.
Yeah, we can actually. We just did it little while ago. We can generate that anytime we want.
Yeah.
So switch हमारे हाथ में है. Okay, who else? Come on. Don't be stingy. What is going to run your day today? Yes, Hasina ji, you want to put.
Yeah, I wanted to tell you, sir, in our three-minute yoga, sir told us that when you make a phone call, don't say hi, assalamu alaikum, just laugh, which I have started doing. And the other person at the other end, just like, what's happened? I said, just laugh. So everybody laughs. That's a beautiful way of making a phone call.
Yeah, good. So we shall adopt that practice also. Huh? Before we say hello, I will laugh. They'll say, yes, आपने phone किया हम पे हंस रहे. People will interpret also, no? Then you can explain to them.
Yeah, but sir, the other person at the other end always laughs as soon as you start laughing. They don't know why I'm laughing. I think it's a wonderful way
I
to
think
call.
it's worth experimenting with.
Yes, sir, really it is.
Thank you for sharing it. Okay, who else? Come on, what is going to run your day today? So what are you guys waiting for? So if you guys have nothing to say, then all right. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Love is going to run my day today.
Wow. And who said that? I cannot make out.
Pooja.
Love is going to run your day today. And how is that going to happen, Pooja ji?
So I'm going to spread love wherever I go, whosoever I meet. Spread love at my home, with myself as well.
So you will get in touch with the vibrations of love and spread them out as the loving, kind energy. Bam. Put some energy bombs, right?
Yeah.
Good. Have you done the SOP?
No, I'm dealing with something. Not now. I did it earlier.
You've done SOP, na? So you can just give the SOP energies to everybody you meet. That is pure love energy.
Yay, will do.
Thank you very much. And who else? Sushma Priju ji, very nice to have you with us today.
Sir, my thoughts are going to run my day.
Are you going to let them? Narayana Swami, sir? Are your thoughts going to run your
Makes sense,
day
sir.
or something that you want to create?
Yes, sir.
So if you say thoughts, then
Yes,
what type of thoughts will be running your day, do you think?
I have some plans for the day. I need to take my wife to a doctor
Okay, okay.
and do some printing work. These are
Okay.
the dominant thoughts that have been occupying my mind today. And
Ah,
I'm sure that I'll be able to do most of them, sir.
everything all right?
Yes, sir, everything is fine, sir. Some dentists and all.
Ah, that's all right. They might only remove a rotting tooth. So that's all right.
That's it, sir.
All right, great, fantastic. Don't forget, you have a date with me soon.
Yes, sir. 28th.
Yep. All right. Thank you very much for sharing. Yes, Kuldeep ji.
Sir, I think that healing and creation will run my day.
Wow, what are you going to create, sir?
Sir, anytime not judging but creating something.
Okay. Wonderful. How about creating a share?
Sir, when you started, you were talking about smile. तो उसके ऊपर आपको बताता हूं कि ठहर सके जो लबों पे हमारे, ठहर सके जो लबों पर हमारे, मुस्कुराहट के सिवा और मजाल है किसकी.
Aye.
Wow.
Then how about a translation of that? Kunen, you should translate. You are the better, you know better Urdu than the rest of us put together.
फिर से बोलिए कुलदीप सर.
ठहर सके जो लबों पर हमारे.
ठहर सके जो लबों पे हमारे. So something which can stay on my lips,
On my face.
on my face.
मुस्कुराहट के सिवा और मजाल है किसकी.
Aye.
Wow, wow.
What can be better than the smile?
Yeah.
No, how dare anything else be there except
Yes.
The smile on the face.
Yeah.
और किसी चीज की हिम्मत ही नहीं होनी चाहिए. सिर्फ मुस्कुराहट को आने चाहिए हमारे चेहरे. वाह वाह.
Wow, wow, wow.
जुनैद साहब ये लिख के अपने मिरर पे लगा लीजिए. काफी बड़े काम की चीज है.
ये सबों के काम की चीज है सर. अगर ये हो जाए तो फिर जिंदगी बदल जाए.
कंप्यूटर के स्क्रीन पे भी लगा लो.
एक फोटो ही लगा लेते मुस्कुराता हूँ.
It is worth it. Always keep on smiling.
मुस्कुराते रहो.
Yeah. Always smiling.
Exactly. All right. So what's going to run your day, guys? साक्षी जी आप भी एक स्टिकर बना के रख लो सामने, मुस्कुराते रहो. What are you going to share with us today? आप भी तो शेर लिखती हैं.
नहीं सर, मैं शेर नहीं लिखती हूँ, मैं पोएट्री लिखती हूँ.
अच्छा, वही पोएट्री को ही उर्दू में शेर बोलते हैं मेरे ख्याल से.
शेर थोड़े छोटे छोटे होते हैं, पोएट्री लंबी होती है. पोएट्री एक ही टॉपिक पे पूरा like to write for like 8 lines, 16
You're enjoying the
lines.
conversation.
एक चिड़िया अनेक चिड़िया. So बताइए, what is going to run your day today?
Yeah, so I've been thinking what is going to run my day today. All what I've planned, all the activities, what I've planned is going to run my day. I'm not going to get bogged down by any of the challenges or any of negative thoughts. Forget judgment and all. So I'm very clear on it that whatever I've planned, written in my to-do list, is going to run my day without any iota of negativity or iota of concerns or doubts and all. And I'm
Okay.
very sure I'll go ahead with it.
Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. And I hope you add a few things that will bring a smile to your lips. Right? Will you?
Yes, sir.
You can start now. I said you can start now.
Yes, sir. I'm smiling.
You are? Acha. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, Abhinav ji.
Well, in the beginning of before this session started, my concerns were क्या होगा आज मैं कुछ कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Finally, people will find out that I am a dud. मेरे बस का कुछ नहीं है. Or those were the concerns. All those survival thoughts were running through my mind. But as the session progressed and I listened to people, and today, so I'm looking at whatever are my commitments. So I will be guided by what I stand for, and not the automatic thoughts which are survival thoughts.
हाँ, वो जो आपके इख्तारा वाले जो thoughts हैं ना.
हाँ.
Find out what an nincompoop I am.
Yeah.
वो जो आपके.
So I will be guided. Yeah. So I will be guided by my stand that Abhinav Mathur is a person who stands for making others a winner. So that is where I stand today now.
Okay, congratulations. So no more of your Iktara music, right? आपका जो हमेशा टुंग टुंग.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you very much for sharing it. What about you, Mr. Nitin Chandra? What is going to run your day today? Nitin, are you there?
Yeah.
To run your day today?
I got a couple of tasks to do, so to run around. That's going to run my day.
Yeah, so what kind of tasks are they? They're survival tasks, or there's something going to create something magnificent in your life today. So if you start noticing how much of our life is run by simple survival tasks, more of the same.
Some are about tasks and some are about creativity.
Really?
Working.
Okay, good. I hope you do more of that, and then you wake up fully and have a spring in your step and a smile on your face, and
Yes.
क्योंकि हमारे देश में तो ऐसे लोग हैं जो फांसी चढ़ने के लिए भी जाते हैं तो गाने गाते हुए जाते हैं. हमें तो फांसी लगने नहीं वाली है, वैसे फिर भी हम अपना दिन ऐसे जीते हैं जैसे हमको फांसी लगने वाली है आज, है ना? फांसी नहीं लगने वाली है मगर जीते हम ऐसे हैं जैसे फांसी लगने वाली है. Interesting one, right? We are living our days as though we are going to the hangman today. You don't want that, do you? Good morning. Good morning, Nitin. Wake up. Yes, Ramasan. You want to say something to our August gathering? August gathering in November.
Yes, sir. Good morning. So, yes, by default, the survival things, are the ones which runs the day. But when we ask this question, I think there is a change that we can run it differently. So when I focus only on survival things to run, that itself becomes a big task. But if I am in creation mode, I have to run anyway the survival mode task. So I will do that as well as do other creation things. So that is the power of this question and thinking process. So that's what I realized now.
Such a big burden. If you take it in your stride and you say, hello, this is the part of the game. Like if you're playing cricket,
Right.
sometimes you have to do the batting, which you may be liking. Sometimes you may be doing bowling, which you like even more. But you
Right.
hate to do the fielding, but you have to do the fielding also sometimes, right?
Yes,
You have to face the ball which comes at high velocity also.
right.
But there you are enjoying, right? No, sir, that's it, sir. But life is also a game. But sir, there I have choice to play the game or not, sir. Here I have no choice. Yeah. But you chose to be born only, no?
Yeah.
Here also we have a choice, no? We can live a life of a drudgery, like some people are waiting, no, for dying. That is like waiting for the hangman. Some people are condemned to, hanging by death, but they don't hang them immediately. So sometimes they're waiting for 1 year, 2 years, because they can't find the hangman or they are putting an appeal and all. So every day, how they are living their life. Some of them actually start enjoying, They say, I'm going to be hanged anyway, so let me enjoy myself. And some people live like, oh my God, I'm going to be hanged. So if you look at people around you, it's interesting. They have a choice, right? So we have a choice.
Yeah.
I can let my day be run by whatever runs it every day, or I can what?
I can run it differently with
Yeah, I can
creation.
create something which turns me on, right?
Yeah. So when I do that, the survival mode also can get done easily.
Yeah, it doesn't look like, because you're not judging it anymore, right?
Yeah.
Like I was attending a program in the night from 1:30 in the morning till about 3:30 in the morning, right? So I've had half the quota of my sleep. Now, if I had been judging that, then you know how much energy I'll be having this morning, right? But I got up in the morning and said, hey, I chose it. Great, thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is what I wanted to put in your head today. You can create your day. Okay, you can let be this another day waiting to die. Choice is yours. So have a wonderful week and a wonderful day ahead. Conan Saab wants to say something, so let him say that.
I am naming today Hug Day for me.
Hug Day?
Yeah.
मतलब आप बाथरूम में बैठे रहोगे?
Not that hug.
Like, मतलब जब भी पाओगे, जादू की जब
Everything is आ गले लग जा.
Okay. गाना भी डाउनलोड करके लगा लेना.
दो लाइन सुन लीजिए इस पे.
बताइए.
काश एक ख्वाहिश पूरी हो इबादत के बगैर. काश एक ख्वाहिश पूरी हो इबादत के बगैर, वो आके गले लगा ले मेरी इजाजत के बगैर.
बहुत अच्छे.
So everything coming to me without my permission आ गले लग जाओ.
Like I'm open to receive all the hugs.
Yes.
As well as energetic hugs.
Yes.
You are sitting in Dubai, be careful. पता लगे कि you are getting some hugs in the office and next thing you are on your backside outside the office. So energetic hugs are also hugs, no? Mental hugs. दिल खुला होना चाहिए ना. वो कौन सा गाना था? दिल आज शायर है, गम आज नगमा है? There's a lot of masala to be had from our films, right? Whatever mood you want to generate, you'll get masala from there. Okay, so that's it. Anybody wants to say anything? Remember a couple of things. Every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of our own self. Every experience. And if you live your life like that, all of life comes to you.
एक पुराना गाना याद आ गया सर के, मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर ए हसी, जब से देखा है तुझे शायरी आ गई.
अभी तुमने तो यहाँ पे 26 हसीन्स को देख रहे हो.
नहीं, हमारी बेगम पीछे बैठी, उनको घर.
उनको तो आप वो गाना सुनाए, वो एक देवानंद की मूवी में था, दिल आज शायर है, गम आज नगमा है. भेजता हूँ तुमको, वो सुना देना. All right. So great, guys. Remember this. Every experience is an opportunity to be a better version of yourself. All you have to do is stop judging it.
Yes.
And receive what you're receiving with open arms. So all these energetic hugs which we want, right? We'll be able to receive them when we stop judging. Otherwise, कोई hug भी करेगा ना, तो हम बोलेंगे कि आज ये hug क्यों कर रहे हैं? उनको क्या चाहिए? You got it? All right, guys. So God bless you. Have a wonderful day. and see you tomorrow morning ready to begin.
Thank you. God bless.
Thank you so much
Bless you. Thank you so
for
much.
the wonderful session.
Bye.
Thank you, Sukhdeepak and everyone.
Thank you. Bye.
Very good. Bye.